Maxine, yung second name niya, from my name, Mary. Tapos yung Tin is from Lex Eugene. Combination ng name namin. And then yung Elise,
God's Promise.
God's Promise. Bungis-ngis siya. Masayahin siya, very jolly. So, very friendly. Ano siya, sociable. Thank you kasi dumating ka sa buhay namin. Very happy kaming magulang.
Thank you kasi simula nang dumating si Maxine, nagkaroon ng purpose yung buhay ko. So, mas naging inspired ako mas magtrabaho at saka mabuhay ng matagal.
Hi anak! Happy birthday!
This day is something good, and I'm feeling everything I should.
Anak, ang wish ko sa'yo, lagi kong pinagdadasal na lumaki kang mapagmahal sa magulang at masayahin at higit sa lahat, malusog at may takot sa Diyos.
Don't make me wait, yeah, I just can't take it. It's magic. It's so right. It's so real. I think this love is magic. We're so much better.
Happy birthday anak. Ang wish ko lang sa'yo, sana maging mabuting bata ka paglaki mo, maging healthy ka, laging may takot sa Diyos at sana maging lagi kang down to earth paglaki mo.
It's magic. It's so right. It's so real. I think this love is magic.
Happy birthday, baby Maxine! We love you!
Happy birthday, baby Maxine! We love you!
All the stars up in the sky don't have.
Happy birthday, baby Maxine!